Okay, next game. Let's play e4 here. It seems to me that everyone joined to stop you from getting your 50th win. Addicted? I don't know. Isle of Man turn. Where's the Isle of Man turn is played on the Isle of Man. Obviously, I mean, we know why it's called the Isle of Man. It is it's in the middle, I believe, of the. Is it the Irish Sea? I think it's the Irish Sea, right? Or am I wrong? Let's play knight c3. It's part of the United Kingdom, though. I think it's in the Irish Sea, if I'm not wrong. Now let's play the Austrian attack in honor of the great country Austria here. For whatever reason, pushing these 3 pawns and claiming this massive white center is called the Austrian attack. It is a tax haven. Yes, it is a tax haven. Yeah. That's where they hold the motorcycle race. Exactly. Let's go here. It's a very weird place to hold a tournament. The sponsor is there. That's why. Okay, I'm going to go e5. Now, there are many ways you can play bishop d3, bishop e2. e5 is one of the most aggressive and straightforward attacking ideas here. So he goes knight h5, puts the knight on the rim, and now I'm just going to develop, bring the bishops to the center of the board. Let's go here, guard everything, keep my diamond hands formation intact. Goes f6, which I really don't like. I guess I'll just take this pawn. Actually, not sure which one he'll take. He takes with the e pawn. I think I'll play d5, create some oxygen for my horse to go jumping here. Someone says, are you hiking, or could you visit Lake District before or after? I don't know what you mean. There are no games today in Qatar, you guys. So that's why I'm streaming today. We have no games here, so we're just chilling, having a good time. Hikaru with beard is better than Hikaru without beard. Yeah, I mean, I look a lot younger without a beard. But anyway, we have some really eye-catching up-and-coming chess projects. Who do you think is the best to look out for? I mean, I've said it many times. Let's go here and guard the bishop on e3. Obviously, the best up-and-comers, without a doubt. I can just take and hit him with this check, which he missed. He thought after take takes, he'd f5 to fossilize the bishop and the queen. Yeah, he thought he was fossilizing me with f5, and then suddenly I'm in a lot of trouble. But he goes to f5 first. So now I jump with the horse. I've got a great bastion on e6. 9 ads. Can we go to kick? Sorry, you guys. We're streaming on Twitch today. I'm sorry. It's just what it is. Don't you usually shave before the tournament starts and let it grow to that? Normally I do, but it's starting to bother me. It's just getting too long and too annoying. So I'm going to castle, go rook f3, rook g3, and just mate him on the g file here with the rook lift. This knight is really good. This bastion is amazing on e6. Speaking of bastions, has Forsen finally beaten XQC's record yet? Or not? Let's take the bishop here. Speaking of bastions in Minecraft, he has, right? Or no? He still hasn't? Thank you, Jolver, for the prime. Thank you, Emmanuel Essen for the prime. No? Thank you, Chess Plunky, for the gifted sub. Wow, okay. Nope, okay. I like that it's very resounding. It's like, nope, not even close. Like, he's so bad. Okay. So he could have taken the bishop here, but now I have an extra bishop knight. King very weak here in the center of the board, so I'll just go check here. Good luck in Qatar Masters. Yeah, I'm doing well so far. It's going to come down to the last 4 games. We'll see how I do. Now I can just hit him with the check, and he's actually getting checkmated here. Very brutal. Just massive checkmates. He got in around 10 seconds off the record. Okay. He's always close with throws anyway. Fair enough. Yeah. Does studying the chess classics help a lot for improvement to 2,000 rated player? Depends what your rating's at. Hikaru, I love seeing you playing chess. Thanks for streaming. No problem. Glad you're enjoying it. Glad you are enjoying it. Yeah, h6 is good check and mate here. Very simple, to the point. So I like Qatar. It's nice. I mean,